Mine ngumuntu kulwacho esithukulaneni sanzethe mina ngisiloliqala swelela singumkhono ungadima sikubuthu singumuntu singumswa dawuphethwa ndulele
kweyami impilo ngifuna ukubona Kogcina Ban kweyami impilo ngifuna ukubona Kogcina Ban
nami ngikutshela ukuthi itolo ngithena ngihamba lapha emashibhini angati ukuthi bengingathini kodwa mnganami ngiphelelwe amagama Thomi bebone kanjani mina la ngingathi ngiyaqoqela nanyalo ngidlala le story labantu ngiyadlala lapha ngithi ngiyahamba phela ngihlangana na Chikwekwe
Oh, nakephi?
Hey, kabajana bro.
Hayi man, wahlala elangeni.
Hey, mina ngethu une stress man.
Stress yini nayo?
Mabathi ngihlela na solo yabuya lengcondo iba bathi yaphinzana yakhastezi semkhaceko man mina kethu. Hey,
Cabanga kangaka.
Hey, mina kethu ngibone lesinye isibhamu.
Imfumbi.
Sibhamu. Ithi na usinza ngiyakutshela le cartridge vele ilahle nje inhlavu ngiyakutshela mina kethu. Hey, leyisibhamu senthombi mina.
Manje usomi ngayo mina kephi?
Eish mina kethu kusuke ngathi ngambona ngakwathi ngikhumbula lebhuku lami lengishiyele endlini man ukuthi eish angeke ngikhona kusoma ngishiyele lebhuku lami lendlini man. Eish
Ulikuwephi uliphethe mosinyahla?
lale bhuku ngathi sebangebela lendlini sengoba sengiphamisa licasi lapha ngiphamisa lapha nalapha emgibeni lapha alikho lelibhuku lami man. Nanyalo
Ushitonda njani mina kephi? Nangavela nje lana ungena nje.
mina kethu spam lesa ngiyakutshela ngithatha lelihloni nginika inja yoligubhela njengelithambo ispam lesa.
Usho so.
Ngiyakutshela mina kethu lo uyabona leya esitawuhlangana khona naye. Ngiyakutshela kutabe kulwimi nestock sweet ngiyakutshela kuvuta tince kwashukela ngiyakutshela.
nje kwakwangono ngihlolela ngigilela umkhuba kanjena uthi uyangithanda
Thanza ayinina singasuka naye primary emva kwaloko soto ukuthanda namuhla
namuhla
kwanda
kwandanje mhlobo wami ngilala ngingasakutholi kahle lokho ukuthi kwentiwa yini uthena sobona mina ukuthi
Yela mina kethu noba ngavela nyalo kuphela kwakhe.
Usho so.
Mina ke bangidlala kuphela kwakhe baba. Ngiyakutshela.
yena ngihana ngibona ngibeka sola ngabona ngibona ngibona
Enguyembamba mina kethu. Lelisa lidingile.
ngale mina ngasola uthulile ugijimisana nabo nokuthula
Ayijakile man.
Akajaki, hamba kuye mina kephi.
Bajakile laba.
Abajaki.
Bajakile mina ke.
Ngeke mina kephi, hamba kuye mina kephi.
Hayi mina kethu kusasa.
Namuhla mina ngibuka mina kephi.
Ngiyakusasa mina.
Ongikubitele. Ngakubitela mina kephi.
Mina kethu wathi ngisafuna ukuchaza.
Ngangiyale mina kephi. Kuzokumele mina kephi. Hamba ugaja mina, hamba ugaja mina kephi. Hamba ugaja mina kephi.
Mina kethu man yesaba.
wena vele like serious
kahle kahle kungela abantu
Sanibonani bosisi labahle njengehemahewe rice.
yebo bibi
Siyaphila nathi bona sebahle ngathi anadinkinga nani bonini.
ukhuluma nathi lo ukhuluma nathi
Ucela ukukhuluma nawe shemsisi wami.
okay yacho utangikhansi
Yebo noba nje ngiphathe secondi lakho bonini kunjani phela methemba.
philile mina ebudunjani
Yaphila mina ngosiyami anginathi angibhema ngabe ngasebusuku bonini ngosiyami.
uthi ngento enjani mina enyalo wena uthathe ngikugaqa lana ngokuthi wena uthawuna uthawubheka
Bonini ngathi ngiyacala kubona ngiyafika kanje. Ngicela manje nje ngosiyami. Siyovusa lo muntu wabavele ekhaya. Sovele ngetiko phela lakini.
uthi ngento enjani ke mina enyalo ufuna umuntu otakhisi lota kuthatha sahlaba sakusindisa noma kwenzakalani
Ngifuna wena le ndaweni yasekhaya nje ube nawe lebaleni ube ngona sikhongwane sale khaya nje ngoviya mthomtubana makhona sofile kungiloya bonini.
okay ufuna mina ngibe impinda yakho
Cha akusike kanjalo ngosikhathi ukuthi nginasebusuku nje ngenteka ngeta ukulu ngakhanza kunawe sikhona kucoca stova lomsindo tokhona khamba.
ufuna ngento i-alarm yakho iredo yakho nje ukuthi ngicosha tilwane ebaleni kakho ebusuku
Uyakusiko kanjalo
Uthini?
kepha nje ngajabula ukuthi mina nawe manje sibe into yinye nje njengasizwe.
awuyelele wangibulala make ekhaya mina uthini yenkosi uwakabani bona vele baba
Mina ngwakamashiko lesinye amanduba.
oh wesinyamantulo manje ubekwa yini la ndzaweni yangakithi
lana ngibekwe ukuthi besowakha ithende lecourse lapha ngapha Friday mangase ngabona intombi enhle ngawo
usuka lesinyamantulo lena wena utobona abantu abengosi la uyathi ukuthi kulicala kwakona lokungimisa nje
nibakithi kodwa afuna uxolisele ngasenkosini
hayi uthini ke ngosengilalele ke baba emasheko
athi ngosami bengingajabula ukuthi sheme bengcenye impilo yami manje inhlipho yami ihlezi shayibosho nayibona kuyani
kanjani ukahlahla uconze ukuthi mina ngigane wena ngalamanye amagama
yebo nkosi yami mina
hayi uyathi ukuthi mina ekhaya ngabekelwa umthetho ukuthi intombi ifuna izihlale itigcine ngitigcinile nje babe ngilalela umthetho wabogogo nabomake ebaleni wena uyathi kwakona lokuthi kulicala nje lokuthi uyangivimba ngisuka ngihamba ngesitolo wena uyangimisa nyalo mina ngidafike ngithini nje ekhaya
hayi utafika usho ukuthi athi khoma ngiletha tonke ngalokuthi nale khaya sanze masonto dawukhipha nathamba ngama-crutches ngosi
ngiyakuva yenkosi kodwa mina cha hangidlali loyo mdlalo wena cha sengikujwayele bangakho nje labangimisile solo ngihamba ngiba wena ke sokutaba mgcokwa ngani ukuthi sengitawuvuma mina ngilalele wena yathi nenyelo nenhlanhla ubaba ngabakini
sebuvele bangibabona
hayi ubaba ngabakini inkosi ngeke ngize ngikhone
manje sitaphinze sihlangane
uhlangana nami wena utimisele ngathi ngidawuhlangana nawe mina ngidabe sengikuphi mina lapho ngidabe sengentana uyathi lo ukuthi kahlahla lokuthi ngime lokuthi ngibuye ngifuna lokuthi ngitshela lokuthi mineke hangisibo ke labalesi inyamantuli le lotawamisa beme bakulalela uyangibona mina ukuthi ngibani ngingimajika ayiwani mina kabili ngithola esithombeni hangidlali ke leyo mdlalo loyo mina hawu na imihlolo yami indlulu into nginonela mina
kumela madoda akithi uhambe kahle siswa
imihlolo nayo
utshelile ukuthi ujakile.
The presence of the light we shine upon in the darkness. Some people be alright, some people tend to be heartless. Some people living life, some people stuck in the process, getting all the money and meeting people that honest. Not everyone is wise, not everyone is a fool. You choose between the two, well, my nigga, it's up to you. Can't run away from facts, my nigga, we dying soon. Just hope and pray that in heaven I got a room. I mean, too many things that leading people to sin. They do it for a name, and that is to be a king. Some people imitate to satisfy their needs. Some people are just mean and loving atrocities, such as live the facts and upgrade myself when I'm rapping, thinking about lyrics this and that. For example, we ain't safe, cause COVID is the case. We do not want the knowledge and wisdom to go to waste. There's a kid, you have a choice. Be wise or be a fool.
Facing discrimination and all the tension, I mean the world that I live in, I know the vegetation ain't green. All the standards I value is from the trauma I've seen. Gain all the credit for all the work I put in the streets. All connections and chances, the only things that I need. Have never bled for my people, but for the mic I will bleed. To give a passion to people, because the pen and the paper, the only elements needed for me to write down a speech. Let me talk to my people and pass it to the next. Some people wanna be doctors and some be architects. It's what the system believes, and that is the biggest trap. But then we hustle to make a living, and that's a fact. The racial scar is so deep I don't even have to mention. The racial hate in the comments causing the separation. We need to come together and talk about elevation, but that's a myth for another day, I won't have to tell it. I've lost the hope for just the fame and the accolades, to be the rapper that is chasing after bigger names. But then I learn from them and painting on a bigger page, and I won't stop until the day I'm on a bigger stage. We never share the teachings that really improve a person. We always fail when we hate, but we forget the lesson. My brother told me, my nigga, you have to look for wisdom before you find yourself tripping and then you go to prison. green. All the standards are very from the trauma of sin. Gain all the credit for all the work I've put in these streets. All connected to the thing that I need. I've never focused. Write down the speech. Let me talk to more people than pass it to the next. Some people want us to doctors and some people architects. It's what the system we use and that is the biggest trap. But then we hustle for the living. That's a fact. The racial spot is the big one, don't even have to mention. The racial that's a need for a
How does it feel being the men's part? Because this guy doesn't let anyone just touch himself.
It's top notch.
You look like you've been struck by lightning.
I'm thinking about life. I'm thinking about life, about how it's so reckless. We're praying to God, but how can He bless this? The life of booze and drugs and thefts and all of these things. Well, do you love church? Oh yes, I do. Then why don't you go? I'm under His wing. Nah, don't fool yourself. You don't even know the rules He made. Just take the Bible, put it in your brain. But you be begging for some food yourself. Follow the Bible, praying to God. Ain't gonna just help, check out along. What I be doing with no electricity, reading the Bible while you playing ball. Lies are more lies, we all are humans, so I ain't surprised. Faking the prophecy, fuck out the honesty. Talking to niggas that weren't in them tides. We wanting them gays, we know homophobic. So Tom and Gomorrah, we not tryna copy but niggas. Don't listen and think we ain't serious. Teenagers thinking about booze and weed. They no more accomplish in school and dreams. And parents, they worried they're making us sick. The us is unconscious like who are we like them. Think of the next generation. This is the life we are open and trading. One of commandments, do not do adultery. But teenagers thinking about sexual relations. Money, booze and sex. Shouldn't continue because we all know what is next. I'm just stating facts. If you be angry, your problem, I don't wanna stress. We should be making a living. Instead of that, we are killing the living. Life of destruction, it don't have a meaning. Looks like the devil be smiling and winning. You get what I'm saying? If you do not just rewind and be patient, listen to all of the words that I'm saying, because I be talking about life in this planet. Rapping the women and causing the damage, going to jumping and sending to parents. I'm just a kid and I'm talking to niggas. My name is JP and I'm sharing a message. Who when you people start learning a lesson, you killing our brothers and hurting them babies. Whoa, this is the shit that you're taking. I'd rather be poor instead of just faking. I'd rather be poor in words instead of being wealthy and just getting eaten by pride. Nobody's right or die, cause where are we riding and why in the hell should I die? It's either you was or a fool, like it's some wisdom, you never be cool. Wisdom to me is just like a tool that fixes your life and you'll never be screwed. The fool is a fool and it was a child. Being wise is a tool and you'll be renewed. Be focused in life and finish your school. If you are so thirsty, the wisdom is juice. Yeah. Yeah.
Never thought that it was so hard to write a lyric or two. Procrastinated every time I used to focus on school. Every time I had a pen I used to think of a lyric, but then I changed the way I thought and had to learn something new. Always thought that life was easy. I couldn't relate to why my brother had to teach me how to think and behave. A moment of separation will lead to the elevation of good and the evil until we hang over desperation. And now, let me tell you how it all started. It's in the past, but I believe I'm not that far from it. When all the dreams and fantasies were just an element to be the one that gives a message that is relevant. We used to do a lot of things and had to make a living, because my brother had the picture and we had the vision. The vision brought us by a mother and a younger brother to be united and be one because we love each other. We used to do a lot of things and had to make a living, until my brother told me that something is really missing. The accolades, applause and popularity were never used, but they are part of my history. Too many moments and lessons I came from adolescence, until my brother told me you're moving in one direction. Responsibility shifting me from my only passion. Oh. This shit is too easy.
I'm climbing the ladder to reach to the top, to the point where you niggas can't see me. The music I write is for you to relate, cause I know at the end you will feel me. I told all my niggas I'm breaking the record in school and they couldn't believe me. They said it could never be done, but I made it simple and said it was easy. I'm climbing the ladder to reach to the top, to the point where you niggas can't see me. The music I write is for you to relate, cause I know at the end you will feel me. I told all my niggas I'm breaking the record in school and they couldn't believe me. They said it could never be done, but I made it simple and said it was easy. Taking it back to the day I was lost, when I told all my niggas that I got no hope. Back when I used to believe that the only way out is for me to just hang on a rope. Family issues, including the things I was facing, was too much and no one was close. Back when reality was the priority and all these niggas were not all the goats. But now, peace and the remedy, building my space. Now I'm believing material things. I believe in my life just because of the grace. Pen and the paper and writing a lyric is good. I don't care about the time that it takes. Things that I used to believe in are different because I have grown and I think in my ways. Beating my chest like the best in the game. Number one.